Hey guys, I just have a quick message. So, if you're different and you stand out and you're quiet, and when you go into the room, everybody smiles and you have like outstanding energy, or stop thinking and caring what everybody else thinks. If you feel like you're weird and you stand out, you do. So just ignore everybody and do you. Because at the end of the day, the wheel of fortune, it turns. So sometimes you're on top and people are on the bottom and they're jealous and they're hating. Who gives a F, you know what? Who cares? Because I spent a lot of years caring what people think, and the same people that talk crap about me and put me down, told me I was ugly, told me this and that, I would never do this and do that, are the same people that's watching my channel, the same people that's watching me shine, watching me grow. So let me tell you, all these years I wasted, I could have been like far, but don't worry about that. I'm where I need to be right now. God got me. But you be you, boo. Do you. Do what makes you happy. I just wanted to tell you that. And you're beautiful. You're amazing. If you're a man, you're handsome. You fly. You got this. And don't talk to those people that's selfish and don't care about you and only want you to make them happy and the energy vampires. Don't talk to those people, because people will talk to you for what you have. You have to see clearly. Like, look at what people show you, not what they say. All right, when somebody shows you who they are, believe them the first time. All right, now back to the video. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at my happy pumpkin. Hey, ho ho ho, happy Halloween. So this is my first time carving this. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what we got. Edward Scissorhands, scissors, knives, and everything in between. Oh my goodness. 4. Yeah, that's right, 4. I can't even believe it. We got the spoons to scoop it out. We got the plastic bag. We got a candle to put inside. Can you see it? Okay, yes, you can. So I just decided to do this. And I'm just like, can y'all see me? Oh my goodness. Y'all see my hair? Ooh, child, honey. Don't judge me. I was coloring it and putting like hair color, like this vegan hair color, and yeah, it doesn't work, obviously. It like one strand, if you see that one strand, and my hair is so long on the top, I don't even know. Anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, you still there? Okay, I just thought about it. Don't be looking at that hair, hunty. Focus on the pumpkin. So I decided to do this because as a kid, I didn't really have like a great childhood. So I didn't have no one to do this. So my daughter is sitting on the bed watching me, and her Coco Melon is on or whatever she's watching. And it was really loud. I didn't want to get copywritten. So I decided to cut this pumpkin and put it outside of my place, my house. And my neighbors, they all like, oh my gosh, I love your plants and your pumpkin and all that stuff. And I'm like, oh, thank you. They're like, yes. Your decorations match your personality. Isn't that so sweet? Oh my gosh. People are so nice out here. I just love it. I wish I moved sooner. But all in divine timing. Okay, so, ooh, look at that. Pumpkin seeds. That looks good. Do y'all eat pumpkin seeds? I used to eat it as a kid. Let me try it. It tasted alright. It was like a little yucky. It didn't taste like what I remembered. But then again, it was a different type of pumpkin I ate when I was smaller, like a West Indian one. This one is like I don't know. I don't know where this grew. I don't know where it came from. But anywho, what a cool idea, right? Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Yeah, guys. So like I said in the intro, don't let nobody play with you, okay? Don't let nobody suck up your energy. Watch people's energies, okay? Yeah, look at that. Look at that clean cut. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, let me get that. My OCD. Gotta be a perfectionist. I was like, oh, hell to the no. I wasn't swallowing that. Ooh. I wanted to smell it. I smell everything. Yeah, that smells all right. So now we're gonna cut the eyes. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I felt like I was actually cutting like alive, you know? I'm like, is this how it feels to cut through human bone? I'm like, oh my God, the things that I think about is crazy. I'm like, how do people do this? Like, this is so hard. Like, I was cutting and cutting. I was like, please, honey, child, don't let me cut myself. Woo. And then I'll be on camera. Anybody see me? I would edit it out. But anyways, this was so much fun. So, yes, this is nice. Isn't this so, like, relaxing to watch this? I love watching this on, like, DIY videos. Do y'all like it? Comment below if you like watching DIYs. I love doing this stuff. I love anything that makes my baby girl happy. I'm telling you, like, I become a complete clown with her. Like, she gets anything she wants from me. I'm the mom to her that I wanted as a child. Like, I'm like everything to her, and she's everything to me. So, yeah, guys, we got one eye out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it didn't want to get out. I was like, get out. Like, come on now. You ever notice when you're recording, like, everything in live, you can't, like, edit it out? You gotta, like, go with it. I'm just like, oh, she was like, hey. I'm like, look at you, girl. She was trying to hop off the bed. Oh, no. Mm-mm. Not until I finish chopping up this pumpkin. Oh, yeah. So what are y'all doing for Halloween? Oh, my goodness. I have my crystal ball ready, and I'm, like, ready with my witch's outfit. So, and she's, like, a little, I don't know what she is. She's, like, a little witch, a little ladybug. She's all kind of stuff. I bought her. I'm like one of those moms that buy everything. Oh yeah, that's the eye. I'm like buying everything. I don't know why. It's my first baby, so I get everything. So let's watch. Let's see what's going on here. This is the second eye. So have y'all cut a jack-o'-lantern? Have y'all ever did this? Like, am I the only one? Like, I know nobody in my family did this. I know, I could tell you for a fact, nobody did this. Like, I would have loved to have done this as a child, though. This is so cool. Like, what? Like, doesn't it feel great, like, when y'all could do stuff for your children? It feels amazing. It's like, oh my gosh. I always have to thank God. Like, thank you, God. Like, I waited all those years to have her, and I'm just like, I see why you made me wait, because if I would have had her when I was young, I would have been selfish still and been thinking about myself. Let's look at that. Second eye is out. Ooh, we getting close, people. Yeah, so now I focus on her. So it's like, you know, I see why he waited. You know, sometimes I don't understand, but God always knows what's best for you. I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, this is nice. Ooh, we looking like something. Let's see. Oh, hey guys, happy Halloween! No. I always think of Dracula when I think of Halloween. Halloween is so cool. I love Halloween and Christmas. For Christmas, I want to get the biggest tree. But you know, pine trees, they cause fires. And I have carpet, and I'm just not with it. And I don't know. She's walking. But I would love to have a real Christmas tree because I love the smell of pine and vanilla. I love it. I love Christmas. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. The snow, I'm not too sure, but the rest of it, I love it. I love gifts and being able to give to people, going to give to charities and going to give to put all those little dolls and toys, you know, like toys for tots. I love that. Oh my gosh. I always get emotional doing it, and I get emotional when I go. Do y'all do the Santa mailbox? Do y'all send out your list? I still do that, and I'm just like, Santa, I want this, I want that. I just want everyone to be happy, you know? But anyway, Christmas is not here yet. Ooh, yeah. Yes, I was like, yeah. What's his name? Jason. It keeps coming on TV. Oh my goodness. I'm just like, please. Friday the 13th. I'm like, they need to stop that. All that spooky stuff. I love The Nightmare Before Christmas. I love Jack and The Corpse Bride. I love that. Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh, look at that. We almost there. Oh my goodness. And I love pumpkin pie. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And coconut custard pie. Oh, it's delicious. But I've been slowly going back to being a vegan because I'm preparing my body. So I don't think I'll be having that this Christmas. It'll be different. I'll probably be pregnant already. So yeah, I could just kiss those things goodbye. It's alright though. I live vicariously through people that I see eating it. So what are y'all plans? Tell me. I'm planning on going on vacation before it gets cold. I want to take her. I wanted to take her to Disney World. Really, I always wanted to go there, but all the people I met never took me. So I have to take myself and take my daughter. And I'm planning. That's what I'm planning. So I want to take her there. I just want to make sure like I don't have anything to do. I want to make sure the bills are paid. Make sure my Jeep and my house is secured. The things you have to think about as a single mom, being an adult. You have to think about everything. It's crazy. But anyhow, back to cutting this. Ooh, I think I'm doing a mouth now. It was like, oh my goodness. Oh, just chopping and chopping and chopping. Yes. Ooh. I was gonna just have music playing, but I figured, y'all would like better if you hear my voice. You hear me talking. I'll probably put some music down on the bottom, I don't know. I'll think about it. But yes, hunty, this is so cool. And I just thought about this. Mind you, this is like 8 in the morning because we wake up. I'm still breastfeeding. The next video after this will probably be my breastfeeding video because I'm still breastfeeding. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. The nurse didn't tell me it was gonna be like this. But anyway, it's fun. I love the closeness. I love it. I love knowing somebody loves me unconditionally and looks up to me for everything. It's the greatest feeling in the world, really. Being a mother, it's great. Okay, let's see. Ooh-wee, look at this. I gotta perfect it. That's my OCD. But I hope y'all are meditating. I hope y'all are grounding yourselves and staying cool because, All Hallows Eve, the spirits are out. So just make sure you protect your energy and don't, sage and Palo Santos your house and clear it, get some incense. Yay, we finished. Yay, she was clapping. Congratulations, Mama. Happy Halloween. Yay. That's what the pumpkin said. So now let's see how it is. Yes. This is gorgeous. And it looks so pretty. I'll put a picture up of it at the end outside. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Aww. This is cool. Thanks for watching, guys. And thanks for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all of y'all. I love exchanging energy with you guys. It's great. Namaste, guys.